Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to learn 10 idioms with food. So if you're a food fan as I am and you love learning new idioms as I do, keep watching until the end. Idiom number 1, bad egg. A bad egg is a person that is always in trouble. Is actually a bad person. For example, he was dishonest, but he wasn't the only bad egg in the group. Big cheese. A big cheese is a very important person. Someone that has a lot of influence, especially in a company. She is the big cheese at our company. Cool as a cucumber. This means that a person is very relaxed and too calm, especially when you don't expect them to be in that way. For example, Keith was very nervous before his job interview, but he looked as cool as a cucumber. Full of beans. When you want to express that someone is full of energy, you can say that they are full of beans. For example, the kids were full of beans this morning. They were very energetic. Use your noodle, and this actually means use your brain, think. So if someone says to you, use your noodle, they are actually asking you to think. For example, come on Sam, I know you can solve this problem. Use your noodle for once. Spill the beans, and this actually means to reveal the truth or tell people secret information. For example, someone spilled the beans about Pat's surprise party. Idiom number 7, Idiom number 7, to spice things up. And this means to make something more interesting and exciting. For example, Judy likes to spice up her lectures by telling jokes. Hard nut to crack. A hard nut to crack could be two things: a problem that is very difficult to solve, or a person that is very difficult to understand. For example, Tom sure is a hard nut to crack. I can't figure him out. Not my cup of tea. If you want to express that something it is not the type of thing that you like or you enjoy doing, you can say that that thing is not your cup of tea. For example, thank you so much for inviting me, but horror movies, they are not my cup of tea. And finally, idiom number 10, bread and butter. If you hear this expression, it's because the person is referring to things that are basic and that relate directly to most people's needs and interests. For example, people care about bread and butter issues. It can also mean the way that someone earns the money they need to live. For example, I do YouTube videos, but online teaching is my bread and butter. By the way, feel free to contact me if you would like to book online lessons. And that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for staying and watching until the end. And in the description box, I will leave you all the links to my previous videos and social media. And I will see you next week.